flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, south central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:45 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area, which will be sufficient to cause flash flooding in this urbanized area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Willingboro, Belmore, Riverside, Palmyra, Beverly, Audubon Park, Cherry Hill Mall, Golden Triangle, and Earlton Illisburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 20. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey near mile marker 46. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.